In this video, I will show you how Minexa turns any website into structured data, making it easy to scrape celebrity news and entertainment articles with no coding skills needed. Here I am, navigating to the page that already shows the results on 9.com.au. Then, click the extension icon right there at the top. That is it. With Minexa open, press "I'm on the right page" to start analyzing the page and detect the entertainment news list. The scan is complete. The results block is identified perfectly with nothing missed. Now, pick List Only, or choose Full Extraction including each article's detailed page as well. Go with Continue, or select Advanced to define clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before results appear. See that highlighted block? Click Create Scraper, and Minexa figures out every data field, ready to reuse at scale. All fields are found automatically, like headlines, article summaries, dates, and images. Select what you need, and they stay consistent every time. If you write code, click API Request. The scraper targets exact page elements, so each page processes in milliseconds. Confirm the setup by clicking Complete Configuration, and the scraper is ready to use. The pagination button is already detected automatically. You can change it if needed, or simply continue. Final screen. Connect Google Sheets if useful, set a frequency if needed, then create the job to save your settings. The job is ready. Click Run, and Minexa starts extracting the celebrity news articles immediately. This entire dataset was produced without passing a single full page to an LLM. The trained scraper targets exact positions directly, extracting headlines, publication dates, article snippets, and author details. This method is faster and dramatically cheaper at scale, delivering reliable, structured data every time. Download your results with ease. Every item is its own row, and every field has its own column for simple analysis. Set it up in minutes and it works forever. Anyone can get a spreadsheet, and developers get deterministic JSON extraction at a fraction of the cost of other tools.